Love that one. Jimmy, you want to pick another card? These are the brand new Hallmark cards.
Oh, I don't know.
Real cards.
Pick a card, any card.
There you go.
This one can't be good.
These cards are just uncomfortable for everybody.
Well, the cover...
Why would you send this card?
I don't know. Yeah, it should be just personal drop by with some cookies and cake.
Well, certainly not Similac.
Oh,
this is a light purple card.
Mm-hmm. Any picture on the cover? Let me see the cover.
It's like a little dark purple, flower
like
outline.
Outline of a flower with this blue, almost light at the top where the petals are. Yeah.
And here's what it says. It is difficult for others to understand the depth of the loss we feel. For the child.
How about 3 inches of toilet water? How's that for a depth?
I was only joking.
All right, it's okay.
I was only joking.
All right, it's okay.
Oh, they mean by depth, they mean the sorrow. Okay, I'm sorry. I was only joking.
I don't want to read this one. For the depth of the loss we feel for the child who will never be born.
Oh.
You would actually send this card to somebody? Or you send these cards out to everybody?
That's horrible. The poor parents are going through a tough time, and that's got to come in the mail? Oh, what did I get? A little card? Oh, this might take my mind off of...
Usually when you go to your mailbox and right around your birthday...
Yeah.
Or Christmas, and you see what's obvious, a greeting card, you get more excited inside.
Hey, what's this?
You don't want to open up cards and read this crap.
No.
Well, there's more. It says, it's difficult for others to understand the depth of the loss we feel for a child who will never be born. This is, even those closest to us may wonder why we can't seem to get over it. Lovely friends.
Really? Get over it.
What they don't, this is, you open the card and it's like a light, turquoise inside. What they don't understand is how we already... How
we what?
Let's move on from this bit.
That's a good one.
Go ahead, Jimmy. This needs to be read today. What is Hallmark doing? They need money this bad that they got cards like this?
What they don't understand is how we already loved that little one, and love never ends.
Oh, I didn't know it was an audio card. You open it up and it's an audio card?
Yeah, it's the thing of the future. They put a chip in there.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Though the dreams and plans we had must be gently laid to rest, we each must take our own time and in our own way find the strength to let hope be a part of us once again.
I was only joking.
Oh, okay. It's all right now.
If you need someone to talk to, I'm here.
That is twisted.
I was only joking.
No. Oh, my, I tell you something. How did that not go in?
Oh, Jesus.
We came up with a new way to use that clip.
Oh, no.
What?
I was only joking.
Oh, okay. It's all right. It's just a joke.
Oh,
You guys can understand. It's just a joke.
I was only joking.
There you go. All right. It's fine.
oh, my God.
Another one.
I was only joking.
Yeah, wait a minute. Okay. Here it is. The final mix.
No, it's not the final mix. The second, hold on, Ant. Not the final mix. I'll help you. After the drum thing, give it to me.
Okay.
only joking.
Oh, okay, it's all right. Just
Oh, brother.
look. The point is,
What is the point?
The point
There's
is-
no point to this.
look. We'll agree to disagree. Okay.
All right,
The
let's
point-
just agree to disagree.
We'll agree to disagree. We're really pissing off some people right now, and I don't blame them.
That's just-
But the reality is, why? What?
I'm just looking. That's
Okay, well, let's see. All right.
I was only joking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were only joking.
It's just a joke.
All right.
All right, listen.
Razzle dazzle.
I just want to mix it up a little bit. Sorry. I just want to.
You're gonna be okay.
All right, look. Let's.
Hold on, do I have to direct this? All right, it's gonna go.
All right. Am I in on this one?
Yes, you are.
All right.
Okay.
You're fired. You're not suspended. You're not on temporary leave. You're fired.
All right, listen. It's all Hallmark's fault. Oh, wait.
I was only joking.
Ah, all right.
I was only
It's a
joking.
joke. It's fine. The point is that Hallmark is the twisted one here. That
Can you dig that? I knew that you could.
they actually have cards for these
Yeah.
these awful things.
All right. How about we pick another?
I don't want to. All right. Well, maybe we should get rid of the other card.
Yeah, that's true. John did want more sound effects.
Well, he got his sound effects. There you go, Johnny boy. All right, can I read this one really fast just to get rid of it?
Get it out of the way. Get throw away.
Yeah, get this one out of the way. Throw this one in the garbage with the other one.
Just clear the list.
All right, it says, I have known you in my dreams, little one, and there you will forever be loved, saying goodbye to what might have been, the hopes and dreams that grew more real every day, brings in added sadness in the depth of pain, wishing you gentle comfort for your sorrow. Holy crap. So that ends that subject. There's a card for that, thanks to Hallmark. All right, Anthony.
I got a couple more to
All right,
choose from. Fantastic.
Listen. Okay, listen. I see the last three here. Okay, listen. No.
Kidding.
All right, listen.
I was only joking.
We really want a lot of listeners to our radio show, but if you're a female, I got a suggestion for you. Might want to go somewhere else for another minute or two, because the last three are a doozy. Boy, I wonder what the pink card is.